Hello and welcome. My name is Ryan Courtney, and I'm the founder and owner of Ryan's Music and Repair. RMR can be broken down into three main categories. First and foremost, we repair all band instruments. Secondly, we'll pair you with the right private instructor. Okay. And finally, we encourage and facilitate all musicians in the area to come together and partake in chamber music, whether it be new or old, jazz or classical. We love it all here at RMR.
We're looking to build a facility and are coming to you, the public, in hopes of allocating funds to build this potential landmark facility that welcomes all people in and around the community that are passionate about music. This two-story building is purposed to serve the community. The first floor would consist of practice rooms large enough to accommodate a one-on-one private lesson or duets with friends. I myself am a trumpet player, but if you're looking for lessons, we would be happy to connect you to trained and trusted professionals in the area. The downstairs area will also need a space large enough to host a fully operational repair shop. This building would feature an upstairs venue for small groups that would also be available for private gatherings. This room would have the capacity for 15 to 20 audience members to create a truly intimate experience with the performers and guests. The back wall will host the performers, and the audience members should feel free to make themselves at home at any of the tables or seating available.
Here at RMR, we don't seek to fit into the culture. We'd rather be the culture. The culture cultivated here at RMR can be attributed to the hard work and dedication to the culmination of music. We hope to see you soon, and remember, all appointments can be made online at rmr.com.